Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here. Another episode, Let's Meal Prep. Awesome new dishes. Got Amy behind the camera this week. Boom, and you got me again.
Yeah.
Just a little note, guys. I'm sure you've noticed our Wellness Hub. Just wanted to bring about one of the features in our Wellness Hub is a Stay Active tab. In that Stay Active tab, we've got tips for daily tips that you can do for activity as well as self-care. And then there's also a section for online workouts. And I uploaded some online workouts you can do right now. Already just links right to a Zoom workout. And you can also upgrade to get live workouts with us through Camp Gladiator, which is an online group fitness outfit. So if you want to join us there, take a look at that tab, read through it, and see what you can do outside of workouts as well as getting in some workouts too. Right now, guys, we got 3 dishes. This one right here, super colorful. I love it. It is just a simple Thai chicken quinoa bowl. You can make these bowls several different ways. Obviously, I separated the veggies from the chicken. I mixed the veggies in with some rice vinegar and sesame seed oil, a little bit of salt in there. So I like to have it a little separate. Of course, you can mix it all together. The chicken here is chicken with quinoa, and then it's got a sweet peanut sauce in it. So I added some sweet chili sauce to it, make it a little sweet. It does have some coconut milk in there as well, and some honey. So not a real strong peanut flavor. It's still there, but a little bit more sweet this time. So you can, with that peanut sauce, you can kind of mix it the way you want. If you want a little bit more peanut butter, put more peanut butter in it. If you want to get a little bit more sweet, so you can, as you're making it, you'll see how you can adjust it. Over here, we've got a ground turkey stuffed sweet potato. This is actually coming out of our recipe database. We pulled it out because it's a simple dish. So easy. Make the mixture. While you're making the mixture, you just can microwave the sweet potatoes. If you're an oven person, obviously you can put them in the oven for 45 minutes. That takes a little long for us, so we didn't do that. But we did roast some green beans to go with it. A little bit of cheese on top and an avocado side. But this is, the ground turkey is just sauteed with some onions and red pepper and then some taco seasoning. Yep. And again, that taco seasoning, make it the way you want. Yeah. We've got, we'll show you the recipe in there as far as the spices we used.
And the avocado is really good cut up on top of it, but if we're portioning ahead of time, we always just wrap the avocado in plastic wrap. It's the air against the fruit that makes it turn brown. So if you just wrap it up nice and snug with saran wrap, it just browns a tiny bit.
Yeah,
but,
it'll last a little bit.
So obviously take it out of the dish before you heat up your food, and then you can dice it up and put it on top when you're ready to eat.
And then over here, Amy made this one. This is a ground beef with some veggies and pasta in here. This is a one pot dish. I know you started with some onions.
Yeah, I've sauteed onions and then added in garlic and mushrooms and peppers. And then just added the pasta right in the pot and covered it with broth and let it cook. And while that was cooking, I chopped up a bunch of other veggies, zucchini and broccoli and...
Got tomatoes in there too.
Tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Yeah. And then once the pasta's al dente, you just add all the veggies into the pot and put the lid on to let them kind of steam in there. You can stir them in, it'll cook a little faster, but you don't want to overcook it. You don't want them mushy, just till they're tender, crisp.
When they turn bright green, it's usually a good
and then when you reheat it, they're going to soften up just a little bit more. But
then you went ahead
and there's Parmesan cheese mixed in too, because cheese. So
Parmesan cheese, we actually buy shredded Parmesan cheese from deli. It's so much better. It costs a little bit more, but it is
than the powdered
so much more flavor, rich flavor.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
And grated Parmesan cheese. So here's our 3 dishes, guys. Again, a lot of colors here. We got browns here. But man, these are going to be awesome this week. Let us know what you love, team, and have a great week. All right, take care.